Hi, hello, dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Manindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about functions. In that functions, the domain of the following functions, the type of questions we will discuss with greatest integer function type questions. Let us have a discussion. The first question, f of x equal to 1 by square root of step x whole square minus step x minus 2. So, how to find out the domain of this type of function? We already know that whenever the function is of the form 1 by root f of x, 1 by root f of x is defined when f of x is greater than 0. So, in this given function 1 by root over step x square minus step x minus 2. So, this will be defined, the given function f of x is defined 1 by square root of step x whole square minus step x minus 2 is defined when f of x is greater than 0. That means step x square minus step x minus 2 is greater than 0. So, by using factorization, step x whole square minus 2 into step x plus step x minus 2 is greater than 0. So, from here step x take common, from here step x 1 take common. So, step x into step x minus 2 plus 1 into step x minus 2 is greater than 0. So, that implies that step x plus 1 into step x minus 2 is greater than 0. Step x can be written as, step x plus 1 can be written as step x minus of minus 1 into step x minus 2 is greater than 0. Here we have one important point regarding this. X minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than 0 when alpha is less than beta. We have formula x is less than alpha or x is greater than beta. So, based on this, by using this formula, this will becomes step x is less than minus 1 or step x is greater than 2. Alpha value is minus 1, beta value is 2 here. So, after that, step x is less than minus 1. So, we need to verify. The meaning of step x is less than minus 1 means it will take, step x will take the values minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. What is the meaning of step x equal to minus 2? Less than minus 1 means minus 2, minus 3 and so on, like this it will come. So, step of minus 2, it will become minus 2. Step of minus 3, minus 3. Step of minus 4, minus 4. So, it means step x value, all the values of step x equal to minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, it means the values of x should be less than minus 1. If you take x is greater than minus 1, the values, it will be reaches to minus 3, minus 3, minus 4, that's all. No? So, the values of x should be less than minus 1, and the meaning of step x is, here step x is less than minus 1, that implies this value. In the same way, step x is greater than 2, that implies that step x value will take 3, 4, 5 and so on. Step x is greater than 2, this information. Step x is less than -1, -2, -3 and so on. So that implies that x is greater than or equal to 3 we are getting here. But here x is less than -1 only. So the combination of these two you can write it. The union of these x is less than -1, x is greater than or equal to 3. So if you want to represent this value in real number line, this is the real number line, 0, -1 will be here. So 1, 2, 3 and so on plus infinity and so on, here minus infinity. X is less than -1, that means x is less than -1. So observe carefully, this I am representing in the figure. That means the value of x in between minus infinity and -1, in between, and x is greater than or equal to 3, that means including 3 up to infinity. X is greater than or equal to 3. This is the information. So the union of these two is the required answer, that is the domain. So I am concluding with this. So this is the therefore the domain of f is open interval of minus infinity to -1 union closed interval of 3 comma infinity. Or we can write like this also. That also can be written as, in the real number line, -1 and 3. -1 we cannot write and 3 also we cannot write. Or slash, that means not, closed -1 open 3, like this also we can write it. But first thing only you should remember, not this is compulsory, no need to do, this is enough. This is the way you can do that. The first problem over, we will move to the next one. Yeah, the next question, find the domain of f of x equal to log of x minus step x. This is absolutely, here one important point again, log f of x is defined when f of x should be greater than 0. Why? Because logarithmic functions defining for only positive integers. So log f of x is defined when f of x is 0. In place of f of x, what function is there according to this? This function is there, x minus step x. So you can take this x minus step x. So log of x minus step x is defined when x minus step x is greater than 0. That means x is greater than step x. Am I right? Are you able to follow, everyone? Yeah. X is greater than step x. Here, to get the domain, observe carefully, values we can take here. Suppose if we take x value as numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on, step x values will become step 1, step 2, all are 1, 2, 3 only. So 1 is greater than 1, 2 is greater than 2, 3 is greater than 3. It is not possible. It is not correct. So for the values of 1, 2, 3, it is not possible. That means for integers it is not possible. 1, 2, 3 and so on, these values are integers. Of course, integers. Even if you want to take x minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, step x values also step of minus 1 is minus 1, step of minus 2, minus 2, step of minus 3, minus 3. Here, minus 1 is greater than minus 1, minus 2 is greater than minus 2, minus 3 is greater than minus 3 is meaningless. So, because of this reason, x is not integer here. I hope everyone understand, dear students. So, domain of, so it represents, it shows that x is not an integer. X is non-integer or not an integer. Non-integer it is enough. X is non-integer. Therefore, the domain of f of x is non-integer means in the real number line z is not there. So, r minus z. Like this we can write it, r minus z. So, in the real number lines z is not there, r minus z. This is the domain of the given function log of x minus step x. I hope everyone understand. We will move to the next question now. Yeah, next question. Find the domain of f of x equal to square root of log of 3 minus x by x to the base 10. Here two important things you have to remember, dear students. First, the function root f of x. So that means log of 3 minus x by x base 10, that is completely f of x. Root f of x is defined when f of x is greater than or equal to 0, and not only root f of x but also log f of x is there now again. Log f of x is defined, previous question also we did, when f of x is greater than 0 itself. So both the conditions I am going to apply here simultaneously. I am going to apply the both conditions. So first, root over log of 3 minus x by x to the base 10 is defined when log of 3 minus x by x to the base 10 is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, and log of, and what is f of x here? This is f of x only, no? This is only f of x. So, and 3 minus x by x is greater than 0. Both the conditions simultaneously we will apply now. So that implies that here if you remove log, 10 power 0 will come. So here you remember one more important, log a to the base x is greater than or equal to 0 means if you remove this log, a is greater than or equal to x power 0, here the base power will come there. So this is the note, some hint. So based on this, 3 minus x by x is greater than or equal to 10 power 0. 10 power 0 means 1, anything power 0 is 1, and 3 minus x by x is greater than 0. So 3 minus x by x is greater than or equal to 1, and 3 minus x, see, a by b is greater than 0 means a is greater than 0 and b is also greater than 0. So 3 minus x is greater than 0 and x is also greater than 0. And here cross multiply in the first term here, 3 minus x is greater than or equal to x, and 3 minus x is greater than 0, x is greater than 0. So 3 minus x we can take this side plus x, so 3 is greater than or equal to 2x, and 3 minus x is greater than 0, x is greater than 0. 3 is greater than or equal to 2x means can we write 2x is less than or equal to 3, and x is obviously less than or equal to 3 by 2, and 3 minus x is greater than 0, that means 3 is greater than x and x is greater than 0. 3 is greater than x means here x is less than or equal to 3 by 2, and x is greater than 0 means we can write as 0 is less than x also, no? And here 3 is greater than x means x is less than 3 we can write. From these two conclusion, 0 is less than x is less than 3 we can write it. So this information you have to put in the real number line, you will get the required answer. So this is the real number line, this is 0, we'll plot the values. So this is 0, here 3, it is 3, it is 3 by 2, this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. So x is less than or equal to 3 by 2. So this is regarding x is less than or equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2 and less than 3 by 2. Next, 0 is less than x is less than 3. That means open interval of 0 and 3. That value lies between 0 and 3. This is the second part. 0 is less than x is less than 3. I hope everyone understand. See here, whenever like this combination and common things will be there, generally here. See, from here to here it is a open interval. So what is common part we are observing here? Open interval of 0 comma 3 by 2 and 3. So ultimately from this what I am going to tell is the domain, the intersection of these two. Therefore from this x is less than or equal to 3 by 2 means x belongs to open interval of minus infinity plus closer 3 by 2, closer 3 by 2, and means intersection, you remember. 0 is less than x is less than 3 means open interval of 0 comma 3. So from here the common part in this shaded region, this is the common part now. This is the common part. So it represents x belongs to open 0, closed 3 by 2. This is the required domain. This is the domain of f of x. Yeah, I hope everyone understand. We'll move to the next one. Yeah, we'll move to the next question. Find the domain of f of x equal to root of x plus 2 plus 1 by log of 1 minus x to the base 10. Here sum of two functions are there. F of x is the combination of the sum of two functions. One is root x plus 2, another one is 1 by log of 1 minus x to the base 10. So first one by one we will discuss here. We know that root f of x is defining as, that also first I will write it, two important points. Root f of x is defined when f of x is greater than or equal to 0 and 1 by log f of x. 1 by log f of x is defined when f of x is greater than 0 and also f of x should not be equal to 1. So, these two important points, if you follow, you will get the domain will be very easy. Now, come to the question. In this, first root f of x, root x plus 2 is there. Root x plus 2 is defined when x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. That implies x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So, one function domain we got it, and combination of question now 1 by log of that also we will calculate. 1 by log of 1 minus x to the base 10 is defined. For this type of question, two conditions are available. When, what is f of x in this 1 minus x? 1 minus x is greater than 0 and 1 minus x should not be equal to 1. So, that means 1 minus x is greater than 0 means 1 is greater than x, that means x is less than 1, and here 1 get cancelled, minus x is not equal to 0. So, x is obviously not equal to 0. So, this information we will provide on the real number line. We will get the conclusion on the domain. The conclusion step we are going to give as x is greater than or equal to minus 2, x is less than 1 and x is not equal to 0. First you have to draw the real number line. On that real number line we will give the conclusion. This is the real number line. The values we are plotting now 0 and here minus 2 is also there available, minus 2, here it is minus 2 and 1 will be here. Yeah, x is greater than or equal to minus 2. And one more important thing I forgot to write, that this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. X is greater than or equal to minus 2, that value we will write it. X is greater than or equal to minus 2 means x is equal to minus 2 and up to infinity. This is x is greater than or equal to minus 2 and x is less than 1, that means from here to here. This is x is less than 1 and in that also x should not be equal to 0. So, x not equal to 0 means from here to here. So, what is the common part in this? The common part we are observing, just I will share that reason with you. That shaded reason is the required reason. That is, observe carefully. From minus infinity to infinity, this is the common part. Whatever I am shading there is reason, this is the common part. So, we will give the conclusion as the domain of given function. The domain of given function f of x is, so x belongs to closed minus 2 open 0 union open 0 to open 1. This is the way, this is the answer for the given function. This is the domain. We will move to the next question. Yeah, the next question, find the domain of the function f of x equal to root 3 plus x plus root 3 minus x by x. Observe, dear students, it is in the form of f of x by g of x. The given function in the numerator divided by denominator is some x. Whenever f of x by g of x, x should not be equal to 0. X should not be equal to 0. Denominator should not be equal to 0. See here, we know that two important points once again I am writing. A root f of x is defined when f of x is greater than or equal to 0 and f of x by g of x is defined when g of x should not be equal to 0. These two important things you have to observe, and these concepts we have to apply for the given question. See here how we are going to apply. A root 3 plus x is defined when 3 plus x is greater than or equal to 0. That means x is greater than or equal to minus 3. Similarly, 3 minus x root, that also we will write it. Root 3 minus x is defined when 3 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. So 3 is greater than or equal to x, that also written as x is less than or equal to 3. And denominator x is there now in the function. So x should not be equal to 0, and x is not equal to 0. So this complete information we will draw in the real number line. This is the real number line. 0 minus 3 plus 3 minus infinity plus infinity. X is greater than or equal to minus 3. X is greater than or equal to minus 3. So greater than or equal to is there means it is like this. X is greater than or equal to minus 3. That means here x belongs to closed interval of minus 3 to infinity. X is less than or equal to 3. X belongs to open minus infinity, closed 3. So closed 3, open minus infinity. And in that x is not equal to 0. So in this common domain, x is not equal to 0. See how to represent the path. See in this two intervals, common part is this only, no? The shaded region is the common part. In this common part also x is not equal to 0. So the domain we will define as, therefore the domain of f of x, the domain of f of x is x belongs to closed minus 3 open 0 union 0 to closed 3, or we can write like this also. The same information we can write it as another representation. Why? Because it will help in the competitive exams itself. X belongs to closed interval of minus 3 comma 3. In this interval 0 cannot be included, so minus 0 we can write it. Or another representation, x belongs to closed minus 3 comma 3 slash 0. Even that meaning is also same. This is the way the function, the domain of the given function. So therefore the domain of f of x is x belongs to closed minus 3 comma 3 slash 0. So thank you dear students for watching my channel. If you like this video, please share to your friends and relatives, and we'll meet in the next video with the different questions. In the public examination in intermediate, especially mathematics 1A paper, one domain problem chances are there to ask in the public exam. So for that reason I made a video for you. Thank you all.